What up, tubers? This is Ray. Rayware Computers since 1996. rwcweb.com. If you've been struggling when it comes to creating your affiliate websites, you're not alone. Got my YouTube channel going. Got some great videos for you. Okay, if you're having problems getting your affiliate sites going, stop. Go to rwcweb.com. Put your best email in that box, and I shall treat you like my own little hatchling. Now, I'm affiliate to this Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop site builder. Okay, you could do it all. It is the ultimate one-stop shopping. Okay, for anything you want to do, whether you're an affiliate marketer, whether you own your own business, whether you want a personal blog, whether you're planning a wedding and you want to have people sign up, anything that you could think of that you could do online, you could do it with Webstarts. Look at this. They've been around since 2004. Come on now. Come on now. They've been in the game since 2004. All right? They have over 3 million websites that people built their sites, so they got to be doing something right. Okay? Now, the old DOS Geeks loves them. Now, you can get a free website with Webstarts, unlike other sites. Okay, now you can get it on Wix. I don't think you could get it on GoDaddy, which I've been slowly leaving. Okay, I don't even know what other platforms are out there. There's just so many. Okay, none of them have the ultimate drag and drop capability like Webstarts had, and I challenge you to go find a site that has it. Okay, now I'm going to start this, and all these sites that I've created, all these subdomains that I have, they're all for free. Okay, they're all for free. Look at this, one of my affiliate subdomains. And I tell you, you can't make money with an affiliate subdomain, but you can. People have done it in the past. I've done it on my own. I'm doing it right now. Okay? Now, this here was taken from a ClickBank product. Okay? And basically, I took some of this information from the sales page. They gave me a free video to put in here. Alright? Even made the author Glenn Johnson. I used him as my Favicon. All in Webstarts, all for free. You get it? If it's for free, it's for me. Okay? So let's get back here. What I want to show you real quick. Okay? Now, I just grabbed a site start from scratch. You can start from scratch like this. Do it any way you want to do it. Okay, you have total control over this. Okay, I don't particularly like this light color. This light color hurts my old DOS Geek eyes. Okay, so boom, that quick, I'm going to put it in dark mode. Okay, now I can pin this here so it stops going back and forth. Now you got your grid lines here. Now this is a rule of thumb grid lines. I believe it was called 960 years ago. We used to have to do this crap in Notepad. Okay, you can eliminate the grid lines. Okay, snap into the grid is when you move things around and you want it to stay there. Okay, like so forth. Okay, that's what they call a snap to the grid. It's going to be stuck to that header. It's going to be shown on every page. Okay, attach it to the page. Okay, element positioning. Okay, because you got to have more than one element. Let's just do a quick duplicate. See if we can get it. See, that's element positioning. Those lines where it shows you. Let's duplicate it again. See if we can get some element positioning going. Usually works best with a picture, stuff like that. Okay. Now, you can show the header, because the header is going to be on every page. Or you could choose not to show the header. Now, in affiliate marketing, you don't really show the header. There's no real header. You don't, because you want to get them right to here, and you want them to opt in here. Okay, you want them to sign up for whatever you have to offer. Okay, now back at the ranch. Okay, now you got a footer. Usually in affiliate marketing as well, you got to have your footer, because you got to have the copyrights or the disclaimer or whatever you want to call it. Okay, hang on one second. Okay, now this is my lead magnet here, footer with the disclaimer. Okay, that's the way you need to do that. Now, anything you have in Webstarts, the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, boom, right back to the footer. Okay, settings, styles, and icons. Okay, add edit icons. Boom. Okay, look, any of those icons in there you can put in there and put all your links to all your social media, your phone number. You can put, okay, but again, in a regular affiliate lead magnet page or landing page or bridge page, whatever you want to call it, you only want the disclaimer and your policies in there. Okay, now that said, again, ultimate drag and drop, man. The ultimate drag and drop. Look how easy. And again, I do challenge you to go to any other web builder and see what they have. Okay, see if you could do this with this. Alright? So now that's just the fundamentals. Add a new page, clear content, delete page, page settings, color, images. You can put in a background color. Okay, very quickly, very easily. Now, I'm not the greatest when it comes to graphics, designs, and different things like that. Okay, matter of fact, without Canva, I have the creativity of a lettuce leaf, and without Webstarts. Okay, now preview, you got your edit, undo, cut. These buttons are essential. Let me tell you. Duplicate, select all. One of my favorites. Okay, this is on a free site here. Okay, you can literally edit the HTML. Okay, but there is a way to put in some coding in here. Okay, now let me show you this. I'm going to go down the line. The text stuff like this, I love it. I absolutely love it. Because it's all pre-formatted for you. And all the different types of text, okay, that you want. And watch this, okay. Talk about the ultimate drag and drop. Is that a phenomenal thing? Whoever thought of that? You see, you got to understand something about computers and internet, things like that, okay? Computer is just a glorified calculator. Alright, we tell it what to do. Okay? So whoever programmed this, in other words, everything you do on your computer online, you think that it's doing something, but really a programmer, when you hit a button, okay, like over here, I use old Windows here, old Windows 7. When I hit here and I click here, okay, ultimately, when Microsoft wrote this Windows program, the programmer had to program it in and tell it what to do when you click that button. So don't be intimidated by anything with the computers, okay? So I'm going to make these videos real short and sweet. I'm going to go step by step with what I think is the greatest ultimate drag and drop website builder on the planet. To me, hands down, this is the best. Webstarts is the absolute best. Their templates are fantastic. Okay, their pricing is awesome. You can get a free website. I'm showing you these websites that I made for free. Okay, I made these sites for free. Where am I? Over here. Hello. Okay. Webstarts. The ultimate drag and drop. Okay, so now look what you get for these pricings. Okay, look at all you get with this stuff here. Get it on the highlight here. Okay, you'll get for free when you sign up. Okay, now you'll get your subdomain. Okay, when you sign up to here. Okay, let me show you this. This is a blog that I've been making with private label rights. Okay, private label rights. I've been making this blog. I was able to embed my YouTube video on it. Okay, and I'm taking private label rights and putting them here. Go right to my YouTube channel. This is some HTML coding that I put in there. Alright, so again, it's the ultimate drag and drop. This is probably the best price plan that you can get. Okay, you got your social integration, you got your free $250. Man, that's the greatest thing too. If you do Google and you use that, okay, you got business email address, one email address. Most places charge you for the email address, okay, which I think is a big ripoff to begin with. Okay, you got SEO tools built in. You got a contact form. Okay, contact forms. You can have your email marketing done up to 1,000 contacts. Okay, and then after that you pay like an extra $10 a month. Okay, slideshows and galleries, unlimited, cloud storage, 10 gigabyte. 10 gigabyte. Okay, your bandwidth, 100 gigabyte a month. Okay, you can have thousands of people visiting your site and it won't crash on you. Okay, ads shown on all pages with the free one. Okay, do you want to find the ad shown? Where's that ad shown? Okay, it's down here. You can hardly see it. Okay, the ultimate drag and drop. Alright, you got a notification center going. You got live chat on this plan. Okay, mobile optimization, automatic, HTML access, and membership features. Okay, online store. Okay, your lightning fast CDN is included with the $20 a month plan. Now, if you're running a business, $20 a month is fantastic. Okay, if you're just starting out, the free subdomain website is ultra fantastic for learning and getting your feet wet. Okay, now the Pro Plus is for guys like me who, you know, I'm an affiliate marketer. I also have a couple of brick and mortar businesses that I run in the real world. Okay, so I like the Pro Plus plan. So this is Ray, the old DOS Geek. Got my YouTube channel going. You go to rwcweb.com if you're having any problems getting your websites going, whether you're affiliate or not. Okay, I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe because that's what they tell me to do.